Predict Outcomes is strategy software for a specific operational decision. Predicts business outcomes based on competitive intelligence and environmental scanning data. This video explains what the tool does, why the workflow matters, and how the output becomes useful decision evidence. The problem is that strategy teams often manage this workflow with scattered inputs, inconsistent review rules, and manual interpretation. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Predict Outcomes narrows that process into a repeatable model so teams can compare cases without rebuilding the logic each time. Predict Outcomes starts with a defined input contract. Typical inputs include total addressable market size, current market share, number of major competitors, annual market growth rate, and initiative effectiveness score. Keeping these fields explicit reduces ambiguity and makes every run easier to audit. The workflow then applies calculate the likelihood of initiative success by adjusting a base probability with factors for initiative effectiveness, competitive aggressiveness, and regulatory risk. Project the future market share by considering the success probability, market growth rate, and the intensity of competition from existing players. Compute a strategic return index that balances the projected success and market share gain against the investment intensity implied by the initiative's parameters. Assess the risk of implementing the initiative based on the competitive environment, regulatory hurdles, and the barrier posed by customer switching costs. And estimate the potential revenue from the initiative by applying the projected market share percentage to the future market size, which grows at the specified rate. This keeps the process deterministic, reviewable, and aligned with how strategy teams actually make decisions. Predict Outcomes returns structured outputs such as success probability, projected market share, strategic return index, revenue projection, and risk and return matrix. These outputs are designed to support review, reporting, comparison, and follow-up actions. The value of Predict Outcomes is not just automation, it is a controlled way to turn repeated strategy work into a documented business process with clear inputs, transparent logic, and reusable outputs.